Got some of the amazing things at the Ngahtech Group. So, what are some of the beautiful way and the new features that we have actually incorporated in our website? So, right now we are going free. We are going public, meaning that you can get any course right now at the ngahtech.com website without the need of you paying any 5 francs. So, you can browse different courses at Ngahtech Group all for free. And the process of learning is very simple. All you just need to do to choose the course that you like. If you decide to choose mastery class, you are going to choose that, and then you will see the brief introduction about the course itself and some of the career opportunities that comes alongside with it, and you can now start learning. Now, once you start learning, you are going to see a lot of amazing things. Okay, each on your left corner, you will see the different chapters, the modules, and the different lessons on each chapter. And on the other section, you will now see the main course. So we are going to be loading up these courses all for free so that you can have continue learning without any disturbance. Thank you very much. If you have any comment, please just comment on the section below and tell us what you think about this website. Have you visited this website before? If not, check it out and tell us what you think. Thank you very much and see you on our next video. This is Gabriel from Ngahtech Group.